Hey guys, welcome back to Melinda's Messy Sink. Today's video is a 4th of July recipe collaboration. I have got a fun 4th of July themed idea for you today. So what I have is I just have white American cheese slices, and I have a small star cookie cutter. And what I'm gonna do is I am just going to make some stars, some cheese stars. So I'm gonna keep on going, and then I'll be back when it's time for the next step. All right, I have all my cheese slices done. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put these back in the refrigerator so they stay cold and they'll hold their shape. Now that our stars are done, we are gonna go on to the next step. I am using Eckrich bun size hot dogs. My grill is, the charcoal's getting ready, and as soon as it's done, we'll put these on the grill and get them grilled up. We also need hot dog buns for this recipe. So if you have an idea of what I'm gonna do, what design I'm gonna make sure that you leave your guess in the comment section below. So let's head outside and get our hot dogs on the grill. Hey guys, happy 4th of July almost. As I mentioned earlier, this video is part of a 4th of July recipe collab. There are 7 wonderful ladies who have put together 4th of July recipes for you. I am going to list their channels in the description box below, as well as there will be a playlist that links all of their videos that they put together for you. This group is so amazing. They're so talented, and they're tons and tons of fun. I am going to list off those 7 channels, and I will also put a picture of their channel as well so that you'll recognize it whenever they come up in your suggested videos. Give them a try. Go check them out. Subscribe. I'm telling you, they will benefit you with all of their great ideas. So our collab host her channel is Rachel Moster. The next channel is Life with the Lovedays. The next channel is Jessica Myrose. The next channel is Oddly Simple. The next channel is Small Stuff Big Family. And the last channel is Cozy Home. I cannot wait for you to check them out, and I want to highly encourage you to visit their channels. Don't forget to check out their video in the description box playlist as well. I better get out and get to checking on those hot dogs. Now that we have our hot dogs done, it's time to start assembling our design. I will be sure to link this design that I found on Pinterest. I will link it in the description box below. I hope this cutting board is going to be big enough for what we're trying to do. My dog Abraham is very much interested in this design as well. 2 of his favorite things, cheese and hot dogs. All right, next we're gonna fill our hot dog buns. I'm gonna keep on going, and then I'll be back when it's time for the next step. Next step, we're gonna use some blue corn tortilla chips. here is our July 4th recipe. If you wanted every other row of hot dogs, you could put ketchup on them if you have lots of ketchup eaters. I don't, so I'm going to leave mine plain, but this is our flag made out of hot dogs, corn tortillas, and cheese. You can use whatever type of corn tortillas that you'd like, as long as they're blue. You can use whatever kind of cheese that you like, as long as it's white. I chose to use the corn tortilla chips and the American cheese slices, but this would be great with provolone, with mozzarella, with any white cheese. You could do brats instead of hot dogs. You could do smoked sausage links. This is very versatile to meet the needs of your family. But thank you guys so much for following along in today's collab video. Don't forget to check out the playlist of all of the amazing YouTube creators who are in this collab with me. I know that you are going to love their channels, so be sure to subscribe to their channel as well. Don't forget, Jesus loves you. I'll see you guys in the next one.